Assalamu alaikum, everyone, how are you all? I had a party at my house for which I made this rice pudding. I washed and soaked half a cup of rice in water overnight. Now I will put the rice in the grinder and grind it lightly. Do not make the rice into a fine paste. It should remain slightly chewy. I also put the carrots in the chopper and chopped them into very small pieces. Adding carrots makes the pudding very delicious and tasty. 4 liters milk. Condensed milk. Chopped carrots. Rice. Vanilla extract. Add all the ingredients to the milk, mix well and bring to a boil. When the milk boils, reduce the heat and let the pudding cook on a low flame. Almonds and pistachios. Keep stirring with a spoon after a while so that the mixture does not stick to the pan. Delicious carrot pudding mix is ready. You too can make and enjoy this delicious sweet dish at home. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.